quality across Maharashtra has reached critical levels, particularly in the urban industrial belts. In Pune, the air quality is currently a tale of two sides that has been divided into a green cover and a traffic density. Right now, I'm standing at the most high levels of AQI. So the most polluted air is being recorded in Loegaon and Bhosri, where the AQI has been given an unhealthy results and the barricades, frequently which is crossing up to 290 plus. This could give a massive health concerns for the senior citizens, students, and the residents who are staying over here in Pune. So these spikes are primarily attributed to the heavy areas near the airport or the industrial sectors and the industrial clusters in the Pimpri Chinchwad belt area. As we have seen the longest, as we have seen the highest AQI, now let's assume the lowest AQI. The lowest AQI levels in Pune that could be in the areas of Hadapsar and other sites. The lowest AQI in Pune are found in a protected green zone areas like Savitribai Phule University (SPPU) and Pashan, that is IITM University, where readings, however, around 108, still within the moderate range, but significantly safer than the city concrete areas. As we have seen, like these areas like the Savitribai Phule University and Pashan IITM are a little bit a green zone and safest areas. But the most and high polluted area are the Loegaon and Bhosri. The major question arises, what could be the reason for this much of AQI that has been drastically increased in the high polluted areas? The reason could be the meteorological factors, could be the ground level. And if we talk about the ground level, that could be one of the major thing. But what is the ground level observation that shows? So if we talk about the ground level observation shows that the unregulated construction dust is a massive contributor with many metro and infrastructure sites. Because of, as in metro and many infrastructure sites, there is no operating, or without operating, the sufficient is not proper. That could give us the most and highest AQI levels. Additionally, a phenomena called temperature. It is currently trapping a vehicular exhaust and the industrial smoke close to the ground, preventing from the disappearing information and the upper atmosphere in the industrial zones. In PCMC, one of the most, and the Ready MX, that is RMC plants also. As we have seen, the most and the lowest one. And the most is the place where right now I'm standing. It is the one of the most that has been crossed around 290 plus. That could give us severe health concerns for the people and the residents who are staying here. So as we have seen the top and the lowest, let us know, is your place or is your area is in the top AQI level or the lowest AQI level. This is Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.